In this question, they are saying the radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 20 centimeter. ठीक है. What is the focal length? Now they didn't specified which mirror. ठीक है. So they didn't specified any kind of mirror. So randomly whatever the value is given, straight away we'll consider that. Okay, so radius is given to us as 20 centimeter. Now usually क्या होता है when we are dealing with any other chapter, so in that we convert from centimeter to meter, that means हम standard units में convert करते हैं. But when we are dealing with mirror chapter, तो हम यहाँ पे excluding power के sum बाकी सारे हम convert नहीं करेंगे. So these are the one जिसको हम without conversion करते हैं. Okay. So let's go with this. What they have asked? They have asked for the focal length. I hope you all know that focal length का formula. Yes. Focal length is something which is half of radius. Okay, that means r by 2. So radius we know as what? 20 centimeter. So 20 divided by 2, what I am going to get is 10. Therefore, focal length is 10 centimeter. Okay. So I hope solution was clear to you all. In case if you have any doubt, so you can reach to us on a given number. Yes, do not forget to highlight your answer. Thank you.